Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock websites on school Chromebook. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. In order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up an internet browser. And from here, you're going to want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots and then come down and click onto settings. Next, what you want to do from here is come over to the left hand side and you want to find the privacy and security option in the menu. Go ahead and give it a click, and then from here, if you look down towards the bottom, we've got a privacy and security section here. So what you want to do next, just click onto third-party cookies, the third option down here, and you want to change this to allow third-party cookies. So once that's done, what you can do is come back, and what you want to do next is go ahead and clear your browsing data. So you click onto this and you want to make sure it's selected for all time, and make sure all of these boxes are ticked for the browsing history, cookies, and cache images. Once that's done, go ahead and press the blue clear data button. So next, what you're going to want to do from this page is come down to the security option down here. Go ahead and give it a click, and then if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see an option called Advanced. Next, what you want to do in the Advanced section is look for the Manage Device Certificates, and then go ahead and give this a click, and that's going to open up a new window like this. So from here, you're going to see a load of different tabs at the top. So you got like Personal, Other People, Trusted Root Certification, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is come down to the bottom and click onto the advanced box down here. Then you want to make sure that the client authentication box is ticked. So if that's not ticked, go ahead and tick it, then press OK and close, and that will enable you to unblock websites on a school Chromebook in 2023. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.